Hi, welcome to this video. Stop wasting iPhone data with these 6 tips. Prevent your iPhone from burning through your mobile data by tweaking a few key settings. Step 1. Turn on low data mode. So, low data mode is the most effective way to drastically cut back on data consumption. So, go ahead to the settings, cellular or mobile service. Click data options. Turn on low data mode. 2. Turn off iCloud over cellular. Your iPhone constantly backs up your photos and documents to the cloud. If this is allowed to happen over cellular, it will eat up your data like a lunch. So stay in the cellular, scroll a little bit down, and turn off iCloud Drive or iCloud Backup. 3. Disable background app refresh. So go ahead to the settings, general, scroll a little bit down, background app refresh. Make sure just to turn it off, right? Many apps refresh their content and fetch new data behind your scenes, chewing through data while you aren't even using them. So select Wi-Fi or off instead of Wi-Fi and cellular data. 4. Stop automatic download updates, right? Or automatic app updates. The App Store will frequently download updates or apps in the background without your knowledge, using a massive amount of data in the process. So go ahead to the settings, main settings, scroll a bit down, go over to apps, App Store, and make sure to turn off anything below automatic downloads, like app downloads, app updates, and app content, because it eats your data for lunch. 5. Disable social media autoplay. Social media feeds preload and autoplay high-resolution videos by default, right? Which can drain your data allowance incredibly fast. So go ahead, for example, to Instagram. Hit your profile at the bottom right. Hit the 3 lines in the top right. Scroll a little bit down to find media, media quality. Turn on use less cellular data. And also, if you allowed Instagram to autoplay or auto scroll while watching reels, etc., it will eat up your data. So go ahead to reels, right? Hit the 3 dots in the bottom right and turn off auto scroll. Okay. Lastly, track and restrict specific apps. If you want to permanently stop rogue apps from using your cellular data at all, you can revoke their access to individually. So go ahead to the settings and select an app, say Drive, right? And if you don't find basically the option to turn it off from the cellular, okay, as a cellular, then all you gotta do is just go ahead to privacy and security, location services, and turn off location, right? And that will also drain up your data. Or you can also go individually and try to go, let's say, to Instagram, for example. Hit your profile in the bottom right, 3 lines in the top right. Go ahead to the media quality, and just like that, you can turn off or turn on use less cellular data. Okay, so consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel.